What's up everyone? Welcome back to Printer Tales. If you've been trying to get your HP NV7640 connected to Wi-Fi but it just won't cooperate, maybe it can't find your network, keeps dropping the signal, or you're just stuck on the setup screen, you're not alone. Connecting a printer to Wi-Fi sounds simple, but those menus and settings can be confusing. The good news? It's actually super easy once you know where everything is. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step so you can get your printer online and ready to use in no time. Alright, let's jump in and get your NV7640 connected. So, first things first, on your printer control panel, just swipe right and tap on Setup. Once you're in there, scroll down a little and tap on Printer Maintenance. We're getting closer. Now, go ahead and tap on Align Printer. The printer will start the alignment process automatically. So, just let it do its thing for a moment. When you see the alignment successful message pop up, just tap on OK and boom, alignment done. Alright, now that your printer is aligned, let's move on to the software setup so everything runs smoothly. On your computer, open your browser and head over to the official HP website. Once you're there, select your printer model from the drop-down menu. Just pick the one that matches your printer. Now, click on the Begin button. This basically starts the setup process. Next, hit the Download button to grab the installer file. When the download window pops up, just click on the Run to launch the installer. You'll see a quick software extraction pop-up. Don't worry, that's totally normal. When the next screen loads, select Continue in Step 2 to start installing the printer driver. And finally, click on Continue Online and you're all set.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.